Alright, so I will be doing page 452, number 1. The question asks, consider figure 8 on page 451, but this time only one color of light strikes the prism. The index of refraction for this color in the prism is 1.465, and its angle of incidence is 40 degrees. So part A asks, determine the angle of refraction for this light at the left boundary of the prism. So we'll start off by using Snell's law and write that n1 sine theta 1 is equal to n2 sine theta 2. We input our values that we know. Since this is entering from air, which is about 1, we can just omit that. And we can write sine 40 degrees is equal to 1.465 sine theta 2. And now what we do is solve for sine theta 2, which should look like sine 40 divided by 1.465, and then the inverse of that. Theta 2 should equal 26.025 or 03, whatever you want. So that's the answer to the first part. The second part, part B, asks, determine the angle of refraction for this light as it exits the prism. Now, don't be fooled by taking Snell's law and inserting this again, because that's not how it works. You have to remember that these, where it enters and where it exits, the walls are not parallel. And so the angle at which it leaves with respect to the surface is different from where it enters. So I drew a diagram here. Basically, this is where it enters the prism. This is where it's inside the prism. And this is the 26.025 degrees. So we need to find out what this angle is with respect to this normal and this angle. It's a bit difficult to see. But if you draw a triangle, it'll be easier to see. What you need to do is find out using a triangle. This will be 26.025. You know that this part is 90, so you need to add those two together. You know that this part, because of similar triangles, this is also 30 because this is 30. So you know that this is 30. This is 90 plus 26.025. So you add those two together and you subtract that from 180 to find this. And that comes up to be about 34 degrees. So I'll just write over here, 34 degrees. So now with that, you can use Snell's law, right? n1 sine theta 1 equals n2 sine theta 2. You can substitute your values in. And then solve for theta. Same way, all you have to do is rearrange. And theta 2 should equal about 55 degrees. Yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching.